I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
In this video, we show you how to run depreciation in Xero. In the Fixed Assets Register, select Run Depreciation. You need the Advisor user role to run depreciation, and depreciation can only be run one financial year at a time. Use the drop-down to select the date you want to run depreciation to. You can select any month end date in the financial year. In this example, we'll choose 31 December 2025. Once you've selected the date, Xero shows a depreciation preview for each asset type you've set up. Click Confirm to continue. Xero posts a journal for each month, depreciating the assets based on the rate and method of each asset.